Hi boys and girls, today we're going to talk about a few more skills that go with the story Mole and the Baby Bird. I hope you've had a chance to read it at least once or twice. Let's start with the Daily Fix-It. Sentence 3 says, we will go to England. See if you can find two mistakes in these sentences. Number 4, we will see London. Did you notice that sentence 3 did not end with a period? And the word England is a proper noun. It names a place, and so therefore it should start with a capital E. We will see London. If we see something with our eyes, we need to use S-E-E. S-E-A would be a small ocean or other body of water. The word London, once again, this is a proper noun. It names a place and should have started with a capital letter. Today we're going to talk about syllables again. The syllable pattern, vowel, consonant, vowel. Remember, we used to clap syllables, which are word parts. Sometimes we can put the back of our hand under our chin, and when our jaw drops, that is where the next syllable begins. The consonant usually goes with the second syllable. Here we go. In the word winter, we break the word between the N and the T. Winter. Kitten. We break the word for syllables in between the two T's. Kitten. Siren. Cabin. Tiger. Human. Bonus. Tulip. Drag on. Lemon. Never. The first syllable may have a long or short vowel sound. It may be necessary to try both to figure out a word. This means we're becoming really good readers. So if you see a word in a story and you're not sure of it, such as baby, if you said babby, then of course you would know that was wrong because it's not a word. So you would substitute the other vowel sound to see if it makes sense. The next one, second. Travel. Travel. Below. Humid. Model. In this slide, we want to see if you can sort the words to see if it has the long vowel sound, which remember, that is when the vowel says its name. So A says A, E says E, and so on. Let's see how we do. Say, robot. The first vowel had which sound, long or short? O is the long vowel. River. The I said I, so that would be a short vowel sound. Finish. The I says I, so it would be a short vowel sound. Cozy. The O makes the long vowel sound, so it would go on this side. Have it. The A says A, so it would go on the short vowels side. Try to do the bottom row with an adult. Good luck. Let's do some word reading together before we conclude today. See if you can help me with these words. Wagon, better, vanish, music. So if you come across this word in a store and you don't know it and you say music, of course you can tell the word does not make sense. So then you should try the long vowel sound to get music. Twinkle, ladder, camel, zebra, tumble, clever, shadow, candle, sofa, window, pony. Great job. These were difficult two-syllable words. Try them again on your own if you feel the need to. See you later.